Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you love relaxing garden designs and minimalist outdoor inspiration, you're in the right place. Before we jump in, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and tap the notification bell so you never miss any of our new garden ideas. Imagine stepping outside your front door and being welcomed by a space that feels calm, intentional, and beautifully minimalist, no matter how small your yard is. In this video, we're revealing 5 stunning minimalist front yard garden ideas that transform even the tiniest spaces into peaceful, low-maintenance retreats. Ready to discover how to turn your curb appeal into a modern masterpiece? Let's dive in! What if I told you that straight lines and perfect symmetry could make even the tiniest front yard feel like a designer masterpiece? Let's unlock the secret of clean, modern garden layouts that instantly calm the eye and the mind. Let's start with one of the core pillars of minimalist garden design: clean lines and symmetry. In a small front yard, every inch matters, and creating a balanced, symmetrical layout makes the space feel intentional and calm. Think of a straight pathway leading from the gate to your door, flanked by identical plant beds on either side. Use geometric shapes like square planters or rectangular pavers to reinforce structure. This isn't about overstuffing the space, it's about editing, simplifying, and making sure that every element has a purpose. Even the color palette should stay restrained. Stick with 2 or 3 complementary tones. The result: a front yard that feels polished, spacious, and visually relaxing every time you arrive home. Tired of gardens that demand too much attention? Imagine a front yard that looks stunning year-round and practically takes care of itself. Here's how to build a low-maintenance plant palette that's both beautiful and effortless. Next, let's talk about your plant choices. A minimalist front yard thrives on low-maintenance plants. Think ornamental grasses, evergreen shrubs, or sculptural succulents. These plants offer year-round interest without demanding constant attention. Keep your palette limited, maybe 3 or 4 plant types, repeated in clean groupings. Avoid busy or overly colorful arrangements, and focus instead on texture and form. Bonus tip: choose native or drought-tolerant species for an eco-friendly, water-wise design. A small yard can feel instantly more peaceful when your plantings are simple, consistent, and effortless to maintain. Plastic and fake finishes? Forget them. If you want a front yard that feels truly relaxing and timeless, it's all about natural materials. Let's explore how stone, wood, and gravel can transform your space into a peaceful sanctuary. Minimalist gardens are all about connecting with nature, and nothing does that better than natural materials. Replace harsh plastic or metal elements with stone, gravel, or wood. A sleek concrete pathway, bordered by smooth river rocks, instantly elevates the look. Wooden planters or a simple bench add warmth and texture without overpowering the space. Even your mulch choice matters. Natural bark or pebbles blend seamlessly with the garden, while bright artificial colors can feel distracting. Remember, the key is subtlety. Let the materials enhance the landscape, not compete with it. Want to add instant tranquility to your front yard? Just a touch of water or a soft glow of light can completely change the mood. Let's dive into small, minimalist features that deliver big, peaceful vibes. Even in a tiny front yard, you can create a peaceful atmosphere with just a few thoughtful touches, like a minimalist water feature or subtle outdoor lighting. A small fountain with clean, modern lines adds the soothing sound of water without cluttering the space. At night, soft path lights or uplighting on feature plants can make your garden glow, highlighting textures and shapes you might miss during the day. The goal is to keep it understated. No flashy colors or oversized fixtures. Just gentle accents that turn your front yard into a calming retreat, day or night. Think your small front yard has no space for great design? Think again. With a few smart layout tricks, you can make a compact space feel open, airy, and oh so stylish. Ready to see how? Finally, let's focus on smart layouts. In small spaces, every design choice counts, so think vertically. Use tiered planters, raised beds, or wall-mounted gardens to create visual interest without taking up precious floor space. Narrow pathways lined with slender plantings help guide the eye and make the yard feel longer. Mirrors or framed views can even give the illusion of a larger garden. The secret here is to be intentional. Every feature should serve both form and function. With clever design, even the tiniest front yard can feel open, airy, and beautifully minimalist. Which minimalist idea inspired you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're dreaming of more relaxing garden design tips, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a moment of garden inspiration. Thanks for watching, and here's to creating your own peaceful green oasis.